to tilt my head because I hit my head on that. Are you here, sis?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
And that bottom looks like a chessboard.
It
H,
probably
I,
is.
J, K. It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Now look at this, what
That's
she
it.
has to do. That's why it's for little kids.
Yeah, well, I bumped my head on this.
You're supposed to hold on. Put your butt down.
No, but see, my head went right into
No.
this. You ready? Inch up. Inch up.
You ready?
Okay,
Set.
here we go.
Go.
Go! Ow! That was hot.
Are you coming down the slide?
No, are you crazy? That thing looks hot.
Did you go down the slide?
Oh,
We
you
did.
have to see the video, and you got more for you.